It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in northern Minnesota, sun setting, and I think we have a storm brewing in the south, heading this way. Oh, and Coco's pulling me. Hey, Coco, 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 Coco's. All right, guess we're gonna go this way. Okay, let's go back to where I was panning from. Dang dog. Storm brewing in the south, like I was saying. Pretty incredible. That awesome. What? There's the house. Very, very cool. Come on. There's the sun. What, are you bored? Hmm? You bored, pups? Oh, Coco Cam. Coco Cam. Ooh. Oh, fly in the nose. Fly in the nose. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Let's go walking. Yeah.